Hello, so today we're at the APOC, Asia Pacific Orchid Conference. So this is something that's held in Singapore this year. So let's go and have a look. So this is going on until Sunday. So the ticket prices are like this. Okay, so we're going to check out the orchid displays. So this is something like a garden festival. So they're having a lot of these booths that showcase different kinds of orchids and designs. So this one is from the Fern and Nature Society of the Philippines. So this is a orchid landscape competition. So they have a 25 square meter plot that they have to design and then showcase different orchids. So this one's a bit different. This one is a smaller one. It's only 9 square meters. So I would say this is more of a floral display. So there are also some non-competitive ones like this one from the Orchid Growers Association. So the difficulty of designing such an exhibit is that it's viewable from all 4 sides. So it's not really easy to get a good design. Okay, so this exhibit is by the Foremost. So I think this is the most elaborate display here. It has a fountain, it has like a hill, there's misting on the hill. So if you didn't know, this is our flower in Singapore. So this is the nicest one, so they won the most awards. So this one is not done by Gardens by the Bay. Trying to look like Gardens by the Bay, but not Gardens by the Bay. Okay, so this one is by the Community in Bloom. So you can see some of the plants are grown by different people here. So from the schools. So this is a Taiwan Orchid Growers Association. So orchids are really big in Taiwan. They even made like Singapore flag orchids. So this section is the orchid competition. So there are many different classes of orchids that people compete in. So all the growers, gardens, like Botanic gardens, and you can win an award. So this is the reason why orchids are a bit out of trend nowadays. You can see the flowers are so nice, but for most of the year you will have to deal with a bush. Here we have the Ikebana exhibitions. So Ikebana is a type of traditional Japanese flower arrangements, but I guess out of Japan they have modernized it quite a bit, and you can see they've included orchids also. Okay, so this is the marketplace area. So they're selling a lot of orchids, plants and everything. So if you want to buy some plants, you can come over here. So this area is free, you don't have to pay for it. And then you can actually just look at the orchid show from far away. So they're selling a lot of air plants here, if you're into air plants. These are so cute. So a lot of orchids this round because this is the Orchid Conference. Okay, so we found Leon today. So Leon, what's interesting at this market this round? Because this is not planters market, it's a different market.
Yeah, so this one is very specialized, man. There's a lot of orchids down here. Phalaenopsis, Papiliopedilums, tons of it.
Yep.
So you get so many species from Taiwan and Thailand that we don't find in Singapore.
So a lot of Thai shops this round.
A lot from Taiwan also.
Yeah.
Yeah. So we get to see very interesting species at this show. Yeah, very different from our planters market.
So this is more for orchid lovers lah.
Yes, yeah.
But then there are a lot of your normal other plants that all of them also sell. So
yes, there are some aroid sellers, some Thai sellers selling aroids at very cheap prices today also. Yeah, so I think very good event to come down to.
So it's almost like a mini garden festival because they have like many different displays.
Yes. And it's an indoor garden festival.
Yeah, and there's aircon. That's the most important.
Yeah, come down to the APOC 2023.
Yep.
And have a
if
look
you see
at
Leon, you can say hi. He'll be around.
I'm like a kepo walking around here the whole day.
Yeah. Okay, so we hope you like this quick tour that we did around APOC in Singapore. So you can come down until 20th of August, which is Sunday. So the marketplace is free, you don't have to pay for it. But if you want to take an up-close look at the exhibits, you got to pay I think $15. Yeah, so you don't really need to pay if you do not want to. You can just see from here. You just can't go so close lah. Okay, so remember to like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you for the next event or activity that we do. Bye bye.